Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode the question that is 951 flip equivalent binary trees. And for a binary tree T, we can decide flip operation as follows. We can choose any node and shove the left and right child subtrees. And a binary tree X is flip equivalent of binary tree Y if and only if we can make X equal to Y after some number of flip operation. And we'll be given the roots of two binary trees, root 1 and root 2, and we have to return true if the two tree flips are equivalent or false otherwise. For example, we are having the tree as this one, basically this tree and this tree, so they both are flip equivalent because you can see that one is having the same child which are 2 and 3, 4 is having no child which is again true, basically 2 is having the same child which are 4 and 5, just their position. Oh, in this case the positions are even not flipped. Okay, so we have to at the end it will give us true because we can see that every node is having the same parents, just left or right the positions has been changed. Okay, so for this we'll be firstly checking setting the basic condition that if root 1 is equal to null and and root 2 is equal to null. In this case we'll be returning a true, else we'll be checking that if either of the one becomes null, if root 1 is equal to null or root 2 is equal to null, or the values are not the same, or root 1 dot val is not equal to root 2 dot val. Basically this means that we have encountered some other tree. We have to return false, and then we'll be returning like return flip equivalent. There might be a chance that both of them are same, so root 1 dot left comma root 2 dot left, and if this is true then the right side must also be equal. Flip equivalent root dot right root 1 dot right comma root 2 dot right, or if this is not the case, the opposite of this should be true, or let's just put it into the parenthesis, or this thing should be true, that root 1 dot left should be equal to root 2 dot right. I'll just copy this. Yeah, root 1 dot left should be equal to root 2 dot right, and root 1 dot right should be equal to root 2 dot left. Okay, now let's give it a run. Ah, flip equivalent equiv, is this not the function name? Cannot find symbol. Flip, oh, flick, I wrote it wrong. Control V. Ah, just change the factor instead. That flip, and here also flip. Now let's give that run again, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works probably fine as well. Okay, so just wait for it. Thank you for watching.